Welcome to another episode of Quick Tech Tips and Reviews. My name is Tony, and with this channel, I try to bring you guys a variety of different tech-related topics. So, if this is your first time here, consider subscribing, and if you do, make sure you hit that little bell so that you're alerted to when I release new content. In today's video, we're going to take a first look at the new Tablo quad and install an internal hard drive in the unit. Alright guys, so what I have here is the brand new Tablo quad that was released this past March 2019. Now, this unit is for a customer, so I'm not going to be able to do the software configuration and setup because it has to be done on site. It's based on zip code. However, we are going to install a 1 terabyte Seagate internal hard drive on this unit. Now, if you're interested in seeing what the setup and configuration process involves, I did do a video on that, and I'll put a link to that video up above as well as down in the video description below. So you might be asking yourself, what is a Tablo? Tablo is a whole home DVR for cord cutters. It is a network connected DVR that streams live and recorded over-the-air content from your antenna to any device. High definition transcoding provides the best picture quality while optimizing storage and bandwidth usage. Let's take a look at what comes inside the box. You get the quick start guide, an Ethernet cable, the power plug, and of course, the Tablo over-the-air tuner itself. So before we get to the actual installation of the internal hard drive, let's take a quick look at the unit itself. The top of the unit has the Tablo logo plus plenty of air ventilation to keep the unit from overheating. On the bottom of the unit, you can also see additional ventilation, 4 rubber feet for placing on a desk, and also some product information. On the rear of the unit, from left to right, you have the coax antenna connector, a reset button, the USB port, an Ethernet port, the drive bay for the internal drive, and the power port. To install the internal hard drive, you'll simply need a small eyeglass-sized screwdriver to remove this little tiny screw here to release the hard drive slot. So let's go ahead and do that. And just from the bottom, grab the bay and just slide it forward. You can see that releases. Now, if you look inside, you can see the connectors for the hard drive. So what I'm going to do now is we're going to install this Seagate 1 terabyte 2.5 inch 7mm drive into this bay. So you have to do is just simply line up the connectors so the drive goes face up with the information up. Just simply put it in place and then push until you hear it click and it's seated. That's all there really is to it, guys. And then just put the top back on. Click it in place, and then just make sure you put that screw back in. Alright guys, so once the internal hard drive is installed, this unit is prepped and ready to go for setup and configuration. Now, according to Tablo, you can put up to an 8 terabyte hard drive inside, or you have the option of using an external hard drive on the USB port in the back of the unit. The choice is yours. Well, that being said, I hope you liked this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you're interested in the new Tablo quad, I'll put a link to that down in the video description below. As always, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to check out some of my other videos up above. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. And thank you guys for using those Amazon affiliate links. I know it doesn't change your price, but it does help out the channel and keep the content flowing. My name is Tony with Quick Tech Solutions. As always, I thank you for watching. See you next time.